Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked. That matters because a locked device blocks profiles. Once confirmed, buy the eSIM plan and locate the QR or activation code, then make sure Wi-Fi is on so the profile can download. Next, open Settings, choose Cellular or Mobile Data, and select Add eSIM, scan the QR or type the code. This gets the profile installed immediately. You'll be ready for activation in the next steps. Once the eSIM profile is installed, you activate it by selecting it as your cellular data line and label it to avoid confusion. Make sure to enable data roaming if traveling internationally, and if you want to keep your home number for calls or SMS, set data priority so the eSIM handles data while your physical SIM handles voice. Then test connectivity with a web page. If the network doesn't register, toggle airplane mode. Restart the phone and retry to force a fresh net. You finish by verifying stable data and confirming SMS or calls if needed. Monitor your usage and top up or change the plan via the carrier app. Before leaving the country, switch back to your primary SIM for home service or leave the eSIM active if you want to keep it. If things go wrong, no data or registration, restart the phone, remove and reinstall the eSIM profile, check APN settings, and if needed, contact the seller or carrier for a replacement activation code.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.